Alright, and welcome. In this video I want to explain how you can manually install the dropshipping plugin for those who be doing dropshipping, and how you can actually import product from AliExpress into your e-commerce website. Although this plugin is just a trial version and they allow you to actually import about 50 products. So what you're going to learn from here is how you can manually install the plugin from your PC into your WordPress dashboard. So now we just have to log in. So after you've entered your username and password, click on login. So now once the dashboard comes up, locate appearance on the left panel of your WordPress dashboard. You can see over an appearance, and this will show up. Then click on install plugins. You can also go from the plugins. So now once let's click on plugins directly. Sorry. So on plugins from here is on the left panel. Now click on add new. Now you'll be presented here with how you can search for plugins and what have you. But in our own case, we want to upload it manually and install it. So now click upload plugin. Now you'll be asked to choose the file. So wherever it's going to be in a zip format. Then click choose file. Let me go to my desktop. I have the plugin in a zip format there. This is it. Dropship Me is a plugin that allows you to import products from AliExpress. So click install now. Just wait for it to load. Awesome. Now you can see plugin installed successfully. So the next step now is we need to activate it so that it can be live on our WordPress website. So activate the plugin. So good. Now our dropshipping plugin is now activated. Now let's locate it here. You can see this is it. This is our dropshipping plugin. So this is how you can actually manually install any plugin. Just go through add new and then upload it, and that's how you do it. But we can actually activate this plugin. I don't know. Okay, let me see. Activation. I want to get the API key. I don't know where I have the API key. Okay, let me go to my desktop. I think I saved it somewhere. Notepad. Dropshipping. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I want to activate it for you. So that's it. So activate. So now we now have access to the free version of this dropshipping plugin. It will allow us to only import just 50 products. So guys, that's how you can actually install any plugin manually. And also this plugin dropshipping is what I'll be using to import products from AliExpress into my dropshipping e-commerce website. So thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.